Will, you can get rid of this post altogether, this one, because it's really old, and the actual investigation I did into it, you can get rid of it.
Okay.
Just hit the X. Okay, this one is cool. Ma'am, I think there's another problem. This is from Unexpected, and I'll let you play the clip. I'm going to see what you guys think here. It's to paint the picture. There's some people that are trying to get a dog out. I think it's a dog or a cat, out from under a bed. They don't want to come out. And so 2 people are trying.
Okay. So a lady lifts the bed up.
Is that a dog or a cat? They're laughing. They're like, get out of there.
Oh, that's a cat.
A cat, okay.
That's a cat.
They're like, get out of there. They get the.
She grabs the mop.
They get the mop.
And that cat books it.
The cat knew what the mop meant.
It's time to go.
And they're laughing about it.
Oh.
And they're like,
there's a little kid crawling under. Oh my god! Oh
no.
my god! The little kid's trapped under the bed. And he's wearing diapers and stuff. This is a really little kid.
Mo's fired up. Shout out David.
Oh my goodness.
The baby.
Do it again, Will. Does nobody
of the
notice?
cat.
No, she's looking at the other person, laughing.
Laughing. Oh my god. She even kicks it a little bit, like, done with that problem.
Yeah.
It's crazy. You see what happens? You try to save the cat, you kill the baby.
Goes right in there.
Isn't that like a metaphor? Like, you're trying to do the right thing, but you're like the cat. Who cares if the cat's under the bed? Is that even an issue?
No, I guess
not really, right? So,
but now you got a baby under the bed.
But
how long do they look for the baby?
No, the baby started crying. You can hear it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the baby lets you know right away if it's trapped. But it's just the timing of the whole thing.
Yeah.
It all had to be timed so perfectly. And I mean, I presume everybody's okay. There's enough room under there for the baby. It's just that you're going to have to pick it up immediately after. It's weird that she's laughing and still holding it up for so long before going down. And then I had other questions about why is a camera rolling on this event?
Yeah. Is this...
I got questions. No, I mean, I normally have questions.
Yeah.
I normally have questions.
I think it's passable that they're recording this. I've filmed funny
Did you say
stuff.
possible or passable?
Passable. Like, I believe it. I don't think this is...
I thought you were saying possible with like an accent, like a Boston. Passable.
It's possible.
The way I look at it, it's possible.